跳不进去嘞。哦，OK，
You're already live?
yeah, yeah,
All right.
yeah.
It's 2 minutes to
Yeah.
3 p.m. Almost ready. What a nice occasion to talk from this beautiful activity.
辅助，你做最强辅助吧。他说你操作。
应该是每个地方都要操作吧？
对。那你操作扫描吧。他呢？
Yeah, that's very, very nice. Very nice to have a live connection with YouTube. Unbelievable. If we can make it, I will be happy.
Hào累啊。
It's okay. It's enough. You can hold it this way.
Yeah.
Nice.
已经有人进了吗？
Yeah.
All right. 3 p.m.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. How are you there? We are doing very fine here at the CCMT Shanghai exhibition. My name is Paolo. I am the European director of PMT Technology China. And we are here at the fantastic exhibition in Shanghai. And we are presenting here our company PMT with this fantastic booth, which later I will show you in details. Well, I can say it's the first time we make some live presentations, so I'm very excited. And let's start together, right? Okay. So let's open first, just saying something, a couple of words about our company. PMT Technologies was founded in 2019, and since the beginning, we invest a lot of money in research and developments of our equipment. Mainly, PMT has been found to manufacture 3D measurement equipment. So the whole world around this kind of equipment, it's made by PMT Technology here in China. So we have a very modern and nice facility in Suzhou, China, in Jiangsu province. About 10,000 square meters, and then we take care. In Suzhou, China. We take care about everything from the R&D to the manufacturing to the sales support, assembling, calibration, whatever it's the needs of our business is. We take care from China directly. And since the beginning, we started working mainly in China. Then over the years, we have also established a lot of cooperation with different countries. We currently we have cooperation with nearly 50 countries all over the world. And we have established a long-term relationship with the customers. Mainly also abroad, we have a lot of distributors. We're taking care also locally about the support, the services, the technical side related to our business. The first and to say still the core business is the measurement arms. We start in 2019 with the first generation of arm, and now that we are having now the second and the third generation of arms. But then later I will explain you more when we have a look at our products together. All right, so I see we keep on our live presentation. So
咖啡
let's go. Let's go with let's say the first product. It's the Alpha. He's our very nice guy, our sales manager, Ryan. Yeah. Yes. So the first one, the first product we present is our, let's say the Alpha arm, and it's our historical product and the first product we launched in 2019, and it's available in three grade of accuracy, P, M, and E, from the more precise to the most economic. You can see like together how it's made. Here we have 3.5 meter size. The arm is available in different size. We have from 1.5 to 4.5 meter diameter. It's featuring touch probing, so we are talking about touch probing. This PMT arm is made by 6 joints or 7 joints, so we can use it with or without the laser scanner. We have touch probing configuration 6 axis. It's exactly the version M, so it's a standard accuracy version level. It's made by tube made by carbon fiber. All the joints are made by assembling in titanium and aluminium. Here we are featuring like hot prop. We have here a very nice feature, which is the Hojao mount. So you can use these two devices, these two leverage to unlock or to lock the device in place on our standard back mount. Here also we are featuring our beautiful vacuum base, which can also be applied to some flat and nice clean surface. And it's like it's electric. It's featuring an electric pump. So you can just release the pressure and then move it the place where you want. And then you switch it on again. And the small pump in the battery side, it's just locking the device. It's just making the vacuum and lock the surface, lock the base in the surface. This base is most of the intelligence of our equipment, let's say. And on the back side, you show on the back side, we have the 2 batteries, and thanks also to the very low consumption of our equipment, we can keep up the working time up to 36 hours. Here we have the button to quickly switch to Wi-Fi mode. It's a power button. Then here we have the connection available. Here is to recharge the batteries. Here is the connection USB, but of course we can also work with wireless connection. Each of axis is temperature control. We have one temperature sensor for each axis. So in this case, we have 6 axis arm. We are talking about 6 different sensors and compensating real time. Compensating real time adjusting real time the calibration of the arm, depending on the variation. Our range, the working range is between 10 and 45 degrees centigrade. So together with a very high protection grade, which is IP54, we can work in very harsh environment, in industrial environment, humid environment, without any problems. So that's the historical, let's say, and first generation Alpha arm, still available.
demo 啊，出镜好了。
We are showing also.
White
Yes,
screen.
we are.
White
Yeah.
screen. Dark.
Sorry.
Screen dark.
So here we are showing also our own software.
它那个屏幕是黑的，屏是黑的，不知道为什么。
Unfortunately, here with the frequency of our LED screen is not catching the picture of the screen, so we cannot show very well. So maybe we can just show on the laptop. Here we have some demo parts when we are measuring, but I think we should not focus that much on that one because we cannot see it very clearly. So anyway, here we are featuring the connection with the Alpha arm together with our own software, PMT Inspect, which is featuring measurement for touch probing, scanning, or whatever other device is connected from our line. And we can import CAD models, we can make compensations, comparison between the CAD models and the measures, so we can have a complete report. So we can measure either geometrical features or CAD features directly on the CAD model. So I think it's worth to go, guys. Go with me. I think it's worth to go have a look at the newest arm, the newest generation arm, which is the Gamma arm. Beautiful piece of technique. Here we are featuring two nice things. That means one touch probe for touch probe inspection, and one very nice laser scanner for 3D scanning inspection or reverse engineering, depending what you want to do. Anyway, this is a device that can very quickly acquire surfaces, just projecting the scanner on the surface. And I think that the key point of having an arm with a laser scanner today, when there are plenty of other scanning devices, the best is that we have always our coordinate system in the base of the arm. So all the encoders are tracking the position with a fixed system, fixed coordinate system, and then we have the top accuracy of the scanning lines thanks to our high-performing encoder system. One of the interesting things also about PMT is that we are making everything in-house. So from the encoders, the joints, to the carbon fiber, to, well, except, let's say, the batteries. But except them, electronics, every machine parts, carbon fiber, encoders, full production is in-house in our Suzhou headquarters. So, what can I say more about that arm? That's differentiate from the Alpha arm in the counterbalance system, which is not only internal like the other. This one is internal and external. So we have a system, we have a counterbalance internally in the second axis, and we have another counterbalance externally, which is the best solution to keep the accuracy in different positions when you're using the arm in a different condition. Of course, when your part is in a lower condition, and you need to be comfortable in your step. The counterbalance is suspending the weight and give you big aid. Here we are featuring the actually different softwares. You can but let's say this is just a main sheet part. So we can just check the line on top of it. Maybe you can see the screen. Can you see the screen? Check the screen. now we can see this. The frequency of the screen is good, so you can have a look.
应该叫做劳力，应该叫做劳力班。
And then another very nice success story we have here. It's this nice external axis. This is a rotary table. It's featuring one axis and one encoder, and it's linked directly with the arm. So every time we just rotate the table, it's tracked in real time, so we can track in the position, and at the same time, so we can scan and rotate the axis. In this exhibition environment, I'm sorry, but we cannot see that much on the screen. But I make sure we will make like a full demonstration and we will post it later on. Yeah, let's have a look also. Similar like the Alpha arm, we also have this double slot with double batteries, the button to switch from wire connection to Wi-Fi connection, which can also work with the touch probe and the laser scanner. It's just a power charger for the batteries, and this is the connector connecting the arm to the external axis to have a synchronization of the coordinate system. Every arm comes also with a very nice charger for the batteries, so we can use to swap batteries when they are empty and then recharge them. The same mount on the base, cordial. You can see that much there. And the standard 3.5 inch mount, thread mount. All right. So now we go to see, I think, another device. Let's go maybe to see some of our new device, because now we saw this. Oh, maybe wait a second. Some of you guys maybe didn't see yet this new generation laser scanner. Actually, I made a post yesterday. I think yesterday was it yesterday or the day before about this new scanner. It's featuring the same performance of the previous one. That means that we have used just different components, but the performance are the same. So that means that the speed is 1.2 million points per second, and the accuracy is the same level than the one before. So it depends also on which arm size is connected. Then you can have an overall accuracy. And for that, if you have any inquiry, I invite you please to contact us so we can share with you all the technical details. This scanner, it's incredibly light. It's nearly half of the weight of the previous generation scanner. So this scanner features a weight of 280 grams. Which means this is very, very light. So even though if you have to use the arm for a long period of time, and if you have to use it suspended because you need to use only one hand, so it's very comfortable to use. It's really comfortable to use. Oh, by the way, you can see that? Yes. It's okay. We can see our president Tom Time there in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going away from the camera. Maybe a couple of also very nice features you can also see here. Like if you need to remove the probe, we have a automatic recognition probe with there is a memory inside where you can store the probe ID. We can store the calibration, this probe body, and this is the tip. We use zircon type tip. You can use whatever you like. Of course, if you have your customized one, you can buy a single one. You just put it on cabinet, and then we have our laser scanner. You can also remove the pistol grip, and you can just use the probe that way. So sometimes it happens that you need to go to some environment where you need to avoid any extra space. So the pistol grip sometimes can be bothersome. Where you can remove it. Anyway, let's go ahead to see other interesting products. So let's put it back. And let's go to see another very interesting product. 大概那个 very interesting device, which is fork, pipe inspection fork, which can be used for pipe inspection. This device is consisting in two lasers, not visible lasers. It can be used with 7-axis to measure pipes. So this device can be applied to any of our 7-axis arm. They are featuring our intelligent probe devices. The principle of this is every time we cross the laser, we get points. So then we can interpolate the center axis of the pipe, and we can get the geometry of the pipe. So this is a specific tool, a specific device designed for pipe inspection only. Of course, we are applying on a normal production arm. So then this probe can be switched with any other device like the laser scanner or the touch probe. So you can use a very standard PMT gamma arm and then switch from touch probing to pipe inspection with this device. This works in combination with our own software, PMT Inspect. Can do a real, let's say, full professional demonstration. Let's see the video before. So can you see the geometry? So later we can give like a full demonstration. I will ask one of my colleagues to clean the screen and to open a fresh project. Oh, just later we come back and we can make a full show of this pipe inspection. So please, Connie, can you please just open a new project, and we'll come back in 1 minute. So let me go to finish my tour through the now I have control of the laptop. So you can also see my marketing manager behind me, which don't want to be on the screen. Anyway, so that's our beautiful. Okay, she's back. Is that what beautiful do? So you can come here to have a coffee with me. If you're in Shanghai, please come over. Okay, we can have a chat. And let me show something. We have a nice show of some very nice arms here. We have gamma arm, we have alpha arm with different size. As I introduced at the beginning, we have from the smaller size, 1.5 meter diameter, 2 meters, 2.5. Here we have a 4 meter arm all the way. Here we have a 0.5 meter gamma 7-axis. Plenty of space here to sit down and have a chat. So come over if you are nearby. I don't know, guys. So here we are now at our nice CMM. Beside the production of the measurement arms, we also at a later stage we have started the design and the manufacturing of CMMs, stationary glitch type CMMs. Here we show the most precise CMM we have in our catalog. It's built by one whole piece granite. Every machine is just one whole piece granite, and the bridge, all the three axes are in granite type. And this machine can have a size up to 4 meter length. But for all other information, all other technical aspects, maybe you should contact us and then we can explain all the configuration, because there are plenty of configuration, plenty of probe that can apply to the machine for automatic scanning tools, laser scanning, plus probing with consumer scanning, etc., etc. This is our Fusion Plus machine. This exactly this model to show you is 1087. So it's 1 meter by 800 millimeter by 700 millimeter of measurable value. This machine was released 3 years ago, and we have sold many of these pieces here in the internal China market, and we recently also started distributing with the international network. And any one of you is interested to contact me for the European market, welcome. So maybe we can say something about, or maybe we can just ask Connie to demonstrate our pipe inspection software, maybe. Just have a look. You have James is already working on it. So press, read. Every segment measure, then we have a segment of the pipe which is then goes to geometry. That means the beginning of the segment, the vertex, the rotation, the bend, rotation. So the whole geometry is bent, the whole geometry is featuring cylinders and bends. And all this data that can be exported then to the bending machine, so we can bend exactly this pipe. We can produce pipe, or we can use data together with the CAD modeling and quality control. One of the things we are also now highlighting much with our products is that finally we have our own software, which can handle all the type of measurements. So we can handle touch probing, we can handle laser scanning on the cloud, we can handle pipe inspection, and of course all these measurements. I mean all the metrology application can be also used with the CMM. So PMT Inspect, our own software, PMT, started its development in nearly the beginning of the company. So because there was always the main concept of the company was to have everything in house, everything let's say connected, interconnected, and everything under the control, direct control of the production. So what we thought it was to develop the equipment and the software beside that. So then after that we can not only have like a piece of equipment of techniques, but also the software to connect with it. So I know all this. It's already half an hour. I don't know. We can make some conclusions of this first live, and I hope everyone have enjoyed it. And of course, all of you are welcome to visit us here. Of course, I'm here until Saturday, so just pop up the booth, and I will be happy to have a chat with you. For everyone else that we see live, that are seeing live, or that we will see just later, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you found it interesting. It was our first live demonstration in from the exhibition. So please, anything, just contact me. My name is Paolo. Contact me, contact PMT. You can talk with every one of my beautiful colleagues here in China. So let's see each other soon. Thanks, everyone. Good.